Space & K's Advent Calendar is launching on October 1st and it contains 24 beauty products where the value is more than £480 according to Space & K, and it retails for £195, same as last year. Now, I don't have the Advent Calendar yet, it hasn't launched, and I'm not Albus Dumbledore to wave a wand and acquire things. Nor do I get PR samples. This channel is way too paltry. What I do get is information upon request. That's all that I get. Right, now, the design of the Advent Calendar is more or less like last year. It is shaped like a bookcase, an anthology. Last year was the calendar was called the Beauty Anthology, and this year it is called the Beauty Anthology Volume 2. The packaging looks like this, and I really like this. I actually didn't get the Space & K Advent Calendar last year because it contained a few of those usual suspects that I didn't really like. So I skipped it, and then I thought, you know, I found out that it was actually quite good value for money, and it did contain a few products that I wanted to try, including the Drunk Elephant Retinol. So yeah, I did regret not getting it afterwards. So this year, let's see if it is worth it and what it contains. Yeah, I really like the look of the packaging. Let's see if the contents are equally good. Right, the first product is the Ren Clean Skincare Ready Steady Glow AHA Tonic 100 mils. This retails at £15. Now this actually retails at a few different sizes. 50 mils is 6 quid, 100 mils is 15 quid, which doesn't actually make sense. It should be 12 quid in it. And 250 mils is £27. A Drunk Elephant F-Balm Electrolyte Water Facial Hydrating Mask 15 mils. Full size is 50 mils, and that retails for £44. Not going to count that. I will write down all these values and whether these are actually full-sized or not in the description box below, so in case you miss something, it's alright. Paula's Choice Skin Perfecting 2% BHA Liquid Exfoliant 30 mils. This is a product that we have seen before, but you know, I think you can't have too much BHA, particularly if you're breakout prone and, you know, acne prone. So I'm alright with this. This is 30 mils, which retails at £10. 118 mils is proper full-sized, and that retails at £28. The next product is Olverum. No, don't worry. These are the cleansing oil capsules. Travel pack, you get a pack of 8. So full size is 50. You get 50 capsules, and that is £55. 14 of these retail for 20 quid. But you know, let's not count this. These are individual capsules which contain a cleansing oil. So when you're traveling, you know, you take one out, pop it open, and remove your makeup. That's how it works. And I've been wanting to try these from the time they launched. You know, cleansing oil capsules, very handy for travel. A lot of the time you've got to worry about whether your cleansing oil has spilled, particularly if you're flying. Not only has Space & K not included the regular Revlon cleanser with muslin cloth, but also they've included a new product that people haven't tried. The next product, however, is the Sturm Hyaluronic Serum 10 mils, and full size is 30 mils, and it retails for £235. Now, I call this in one word, insanity. Do you know what these are? Hydrating refills. This is the premium, and this is the premium's Shirojune, which contains tranexamic acid. This is the original premium, which contains urea and 5 different types of hyaluronic acid. Alright, now, the Sturm Hyaluronic Serum contains lactobacillus ferment extract, sodium hyaluronate, not, you know, different molecular weights of hyaluronic acid. The Hydrating contains nano, 2 bigger molecular weight, 5 different sizes of hyaluronic acid, so they penetrate to different levels. Keep that in mind. It also contains ethyl hexyl glycerin and a radish root ferment filtrate, which is the ingredient in the pink annual moisture ampoule. Now, these ingredients and some fillers, you know, phenoxyethanol and that sort of thing, together, £235 for 30 mils of product. That is bizarre. I don't even have words for it. And that is 30 mils, mind you. This thing, hang on, is 170 mils. And this thing is also 170 mils. Both these are less than 10 quid. They cost less than 10 quid. Keep that in mind. And then you've got 30 mils of sodium hyaluronate, 235. So Barbara Sturm is not a brand that I can get behind. The next product is the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder Dim Light. 1.4 grams. This is travel size, not the full size, but the travel size does retail at 22 quid. The next product is the Olverum Bath Oil. Oh, I love Olverum. The bath oil is amazing. This is 60 mils. Full size is 250 mils, which retails at £65. 100 mils does retail at £36.50. You get 60 mils. Not going to count that. The next thing is the Olaplex No. 7 Bonding Oil. 30 mils. This is full size and retails at £26. This is my absolute favorite product from Olaplex. It's a game changer for those with frizzy hair. For those with thick hair that takes ages to dry. It is a heat protector. It is a fast dryer. It is a smoother. I absolutely love this product. And I've finished about half a bottle in, I'd say, about a year or so. So the other half should last me for another year. But I'm very happy to receive a full size in this advent calendar. If I do buy it, we'll get there once we finish the price calculation and everything. The next product, also full-sized, is the Malin and Goetz Bergamot Hand and Body Wash, 250 mils. That is indeed full size and it retails at £20. I'm very happy to see hand wash because I think after this pandemic started, we've all been using a lot of hand wash, washing our hands more frequently. We've been buying a lot more hand wash and sometimes it can get very, I think if your hand wash feels very pampering and luxurious, it helps make the process a bit less cumbersome. Very timely. The next product is the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day Dry Shampoo, 92 mils. This retails at £10. 198 mils retails at £18. 355 mils retails at £27. So this one actually comes in 3 different sizes, and this retails at 10 quid. Sorry. The next product is the Mercier Volume Panoramic Mascara, 3 mils. Full size is 12 mils, and that retails at 22 quid. I'm not going to count that. The next product is the IGK Hair Antisocial Overnight Drying Mask, 6 to 6 mils. This is an overnight mask for the hair. 177 mils is full size, and that retails at 30 quid. Yeah, slightly hair-centric, this advent calendar, more than the others. So far, I have noticed 3 different products for the hair, and we are at draw number 12. Number 13 contains the NARS Mini Bronzing Powder in Laguna. It is a product that we have seen before, which, at least it's not the Mini Orgasm Blush. I think I've got a million of them. This one retails at £17, but it's not full size, it's a mini. The next product is indeed full size, though. It's an eye palette. It is a Kevin Aqua Emphasize Eye Design palette in the shade Unblinking, in the variant Unblinking. This retails at £37. It looks like this, and these are good for travel. It's very, very compact. And this is the sort of thing, or even touch-ups, on the go, if your eyeshadows, I don't know, creased or something, touch-ups at work. The next product is from Sol de Janeiro. Not the Boo Boo Cream. This is the Glow Motions Rio Sunset Glow Oil, 30 mils, and this retails at £18. I love the Boo Boo Cream, don't get me wrong, but it's nice to try other things from brands. There are a lot of brands that we've heard of, obviously, but the products included in here are very different from the usual offerings from those brands. The next product is the Charlotte Tilbury. No, not the Magic Cream. It is the Mini Matte Revolution lipstick in Pillow Talk. I've got Pillow Talk Medium, which I love, and I want to know if Pillow Talk is awful for my skin tone. We'll find out, I suppose, if I do decide to buy this advent calendar. Full size is £25, but not going to count this. The next product, however, number 17, is full-sized. It is a Kate Somerville Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer, 50 mils. You get, and 50 mils is full-sized and retails at £77. And not just, the goat's milk thing that the minis of which we have been inundated by. This is the Retinol Vitamin C Moisturizer. Retinol and Vitamin C. I want to try this already. The next product is from Tanlux. It is a Superglue Body Hyaluronic Self-Tan Serum. You get 75 mils. Now this is absolute half size because 150 mils is £35. And this is 75 mils. It's not, a sample size, 75 mils. Right? And that actually retails for £17.80. So £17.80. Keep that in mind, note it down, whatever. And number 19 is the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser, 50 mils, which retails at £11.50. 150 mils is the actual full size, and that retails at 30 quid. The next thing is the Shantikai Biolifting Mask 15 mils, which retails at 46 quid. 15 mils is full size, and that retails at £148. High value items in here, right? The next product, though, is one that we have seen before in advent calendars, although it hasn't inundated us, so we haven't been buried in it yet. It is the Augustinus Beta, the Rich Cream, 15 mils, which retails at 65 quid. The next product, very generous 140 grams. Joe Love's Layered Christmas Candle, 140 grams. 185 grams retails at 55 quid. So this is 140 grams. That's not, a sample size. It's just, 40 grams less than full size. I mean, sample size would have been 35 grams or something. 140 grams, very generous for a candle. And, I think this should be counted as a full-size product, although not quite 55 quid, I suppose, maybe 50 or something. The next product, however, is indeed a sample size. It is from Diptyque. It is a Philosopos Travel Spray, 7.5 mils. Number 24 is the Byredo Rose of No Man's Land Hand Cream, 30 mils. Full size retailing at £30. So, let's count the full sizes first, eh? The Ren 100 mils does retail, yeah, it's not, the 15 mil sample or, the 25 mil sample, so yeah, 100 mils. Olaplex Bonding Oil, full size. Malin Goetz Hand Wash, full size. Kevin Aqua Palette, full size. Kate Somerville Moisturizer, very much full sized. Tan Lux Superglue Body Serum. It needs to be counted because, it's not the sample size. Augustinus Beta, the Rich Cream, yeah, it does retail at 65 quid, count that. Joe Loves the Candle, 140 grams, full size. Byredo Rose of No Man's Land Hand Cream, 30 mils, full size. So that gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 full-size products in this advent calendar. And now let's count the cost of those 9. £15 for the Ren and 26 for the Olaplex. Malin Goetz is 20. 37 for the Kevin Aqua, 77 for the Retinol Moisturizer from Kate Somerville, 17.50 for the Tan Lux. Augustinus Beta, 65.50 for the Joe Loves Candle, and Byredo is 30 quid. And all that together gives you £335.50. For these 9 products, the full-sized ones alone, £337.50. Now, there are a few other products in here, the Sol de Janeiro, that, for instance, that retail as standalone products. So the Living Proof Perfect Hair Day, 10 quid. Nars Mini Laguna, 17. Sol de Janeiro Glow Oil, 18 quid. Chantical Mask, 46. Fresh Cleanser, 11.50. Paula's Choice, 10 quid. The Hourglass Dim Light Travel, 22 quid. So together, without counting the Olverum Bath Oil, 16 mils, and a few other products, proper minis, including the Bronchial Mask, we get £472. £472. That is more than double what you pay for this advent calendar, 195 quid. Apart from the Augustinus Beta, maybe the Paula's Choice 2% BHA. I can't really see anything that we've seen. Yeah, and the NARS Laguna. Yeah, we see Orgasm more, not Laguna. Apart from these 3, you don't really see these products repeatedly in advent calendars. I think it is very good curation. I like that the full sizes are, 9. Last year, I think most advent calendars averaged about 7, between 7 and 8. 9 is good, actually. So I think these are all products that the everyday consumer would enjoy. And there are a few pampering options as well. And I think that the inclusion of the hand wash was absolutely brilliant. Very, very timely for this time. I mean, they didn't, go all, pandemic-y, for want of a better term, with a hand sanitizer or a face mask. But, they did add a hand wash. Yeah, we know that you've been using up a lot of this, so here's another one. So, will I be buying this advent calendar? I want to. I want to, absolutely want to. Come October 1st, though, I don't know how things are going to be, because yesterday, for instance, August 24th, was possibly the worst day of my life ever, with, my gran having meltdowns. She's not, obviously I haven't seen her in ages. She's actually at a hospice accompanying my granddad. And, apparently Gram's, saying all sorts of things and being very, very out of it yesterday. And Gran had this meltdown. And then Grams wanted to talk to all sorts of extended family members who are not necessarily well-wishers. And, it was a huge mess. Anyway, I don't want to, wash my linen in public. All I can say is yesterday was among the worst days of my life, possibly among the top 3, definitely. And this year is shaping to be the worst year of my life. 2012 was the worst year of my life before this. This one is, competing with it. So I don't know, I'm mentally, right now, I want to buy this advent calendar, but I don't know if I will be in the space to buy any advent calendar at all come October 1st. It depends. Hopefully I will be able to buy this advent calendar. We'll see. So will you be getting this advent calendar? Are you intrigued by this? Do you like the curation of products? Do you think there is value? Do you like the full sizes included? Do you like the packaging? Is this going to be the one for you this year, or is it going to be Liberty or one of the others? Do tell me all of that in the comments below. Now, coming very, very shortly is that massive video on, all the advent calendars for this year. And I do have information about some advent calendars that they haven't actually released yet. So stay tuned for that video, everybody. So that's all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video. Please do give me a thumbs up. Please do hit the subscribe button. Please do ring the notifications bell, and I'll speak to you soon.